welcome back to this 5 p.m. update on this very snowy Sunday evening. I'm just gonna tell you it has been a really tricky, forecast as of how much snow we're gonna get. But as you can see, over the few past hours, we've been really dealing with the dry slot in New Jersey. We did have this heavy band starting to come through that did give us a bit of snow. But now, what we're starting to realize is you're starting to get these bands right here, these convergence zones, and when you have these blank spots right in here, this means that all the lifting and snow will be in this band right here, and that's where you're getting the heavy snow. Again, I'm expecting all of this, like this band, all this to go up here. So I'm expecting some very heavy snow potentially by 6, by 7, by 8. It is going to be absolutely pouring snow. But as you can see, it is shaped up that according to our area, we're not getting that much snow. And that's why you're having less accumulations. But trust me, this could change as these bands are moving more up north. Philly did report a little more snow. But again, we did have this solid green come over our area, and we're starting to get more banding starting to develop. If we go out to the Pennsylvania radar, let me just check it out there. Not really a good view. The Baltimore, no. New Jersey radar is the best bet. But as you can see here, we have some very heavy banding right over here. And I'm watching this to go right up here and right up here. And unfortunately for y'all in Ocean County, y'all are going to get missed because you guys just have too much warm air at this moment. So my final snowfall forecast, it has been a little lower because of the sleet that came earlier. But anywhere in this pink color, I'm expecting no more than an inch, maybe T to 1. That's a good bet. In this yellow color, right here, so right into here, we're going to see about 2 to 3. In this color, the blue color, is going to encompass most of the I-95 corridor. We could see 4 to anywhere to 7. And then up north, I really do expect 7 to 10 plus inches verify, for sure. It could really verify. So that's my snowfall forecast because these bands are really starting to take shape. And again, this could definitely change because these snowfall bands are setting up everywhere. And where you have these, little convergence zones right in here. Let's take a look at this band right here. You have all the forcing and lifting air in that region. You're having the most lifting in here and the most sinking air right here. And this is where you're getting a little bit of a snow, snow stopping basically. But right here, very heavy snow. This has 1 to 2 inches an hour for sure. But I'm watching this area in particular, right in here. I'm telling you, we could definitely see 1 to 2 inch rates by the evening. And I'm telling you, we really got to watch this. How it evolves, we don't know yet. But I'm telling you, we could definitely end up with either disappointments or overachievements. Because I've heard in North Jersey, y'all have been getting some pretty good accumulating snow so far. Here, it's been a very heavy snow. A very heavy wet snow. So the consistency, I think it will start to change because it's starting to get colder. And I think, we'll start to get some heavier snow back in the picture. And then there's another band trying to come up north. So, yeah, you can just see the progression, how these bands are moving south and east relatively. And these bands are just going to increase. So, that's basically what I'm expecting. Over here to Pennsylvania, it's not a really... I wish I had a better radar site, but I think that's all we can do. So, yeah. So, that's your 6 p.m. update around, and I'll see you guys in maybe a 7 p.m. update, and I'll tell you who is getting the really heavy banding. But for now, A little north of our area is the heaviest banding, and we're getting some very heavy snowfall near Bridgewater and Hillsborough Township. I'll update you guys later.